Hello in there, worms. I see you are not wiggling anymore, and you are not squirming. I'm really glad you're not squirming because you're giving my frog quite a hard time with all your squirming and your nonsense. Just relax as he basks under this lamp. That digestive system gets going. That acid starts working. You slowly melt away, dissolve, digest, and your components intermix with the frog's components, and you become nutrients that will allow this baby frog to get bigger and bigger and bigger. Just relax. No more wiggling. No more squirming. Just lay down. Get yourself comfy. I can add another friend in. Well, actually, he already ate 2 worms, so he should be pretty full for the next few days. Well, he is pretty greedy, attacking the camera and such, but maybe he's just working up an appetite for the next worm that comes in. Oh, I see a little bit of pulsating. I didn't know you were still alive in there. That acid should have killed you much sooner, but I guess you're still alive a little bit longer. A few more minutes. I guess a few more minutes won't hurt. Well, in this case, it will hurt. It's gonna hurt extremely bad as you're being digested. Enjoy it in there as you are becoming frog nutrients and poop. The best part is the nutrient process. You become nutrients that's fueling my frog. And he's gonna grow up to be a 9-inch long, 2-pound beast of a frog. Enjoy it. Enjoy your party. I bet it's quite the party in there.